Hi everyone. So today's discussion is on a very important topic which all of us should know, that is smoking or tobacco and cancer. I'll tell you some numbers. It's not to make you panic, but the fact is more than 50% of cancer which happens in India is tobacco or tobacco related. If you take as the head and neck cancer, mouth cancer, oral cavity cancer, lung cancer, you tell n number of cancers. Tobacco is one of the main etiological agent which has been proven. Once you smoke a cigarette or a beedi, whatever it is, there are around 5,000 chemicals in that, and among that 40 to 70 chemicals are proven to be type A carcinogen. Once it enters your lungs, from there to your blood, what happens is that it produces something called a DNA damage. And the DNA repair doesn't happen very correctly for everybody. So the continuous exposure of these agents and this persistent DNA damage turn to something called carcinogenesis and later something called carcinoma or cancer. So it is proven that you stop smoking or you stop consuming tobacco, within 10 to 15 years, your lungs will come back to the normal level and you can have a normal non-smoker type of organs if you quit smoking. So it's never late. You can quit smoking today. It's even proven that smoking-related cancers, if it is prevented, you can decrease the incidence of cancer by more than 50%. So the amount of economical impact it is making, amount of families which are suffering can definitely come down by preventing this tobacco intake. Whatever I have told about this tobacco, this holds good for all the forms of tobacco, whether it is smoking, whether it is inhaling, whether it is ingesting, whether it is oral, or whatever your drug abuse or cocaine abuse, whatever new age drug addictions is happening, this goes for all the things. The best way is not to take up the habit. All the new generations, you should not take up the habit. And if you have the habit, you should quit today, because it's never late in quitting. Because we all have, as an individual, as a population, we all have a responsibility towards our nation, among ourselves. So we have to work together to prevent tobacco related cancers. Thank you.